Facebook is on your phone and you probably don't know it's there. If you've got a Samsung, Xiaomi, Sony, OnePlus, or Motorola, Meta apps are pre-installed system services. You never choose them, you can't uninstall them the normal way. Here's what's going on. This is not a conspiracy. Meta openly pays manufacturers billions to pre-install Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp as system apps. Samsung confirmed, Xiaomi confirmed, Sony confirmed. The only phones that don't do this are Google Pixels running stock Android and GrapheneOS phones. Everyone else, check your apps. There's 4 package names and they're sitting on your phone right now. com.facebook.canta, that's the main app. com.facebook.app manager handles installing and updating. com.facebook.services runs background services, and com.facebook.system, the one that's the hardest to stop. 3 reasons to care. 1, these services run on boot, battery drain and memory use. On low-end phones, you'll feel it. 2, you never choose to install them, you were never asked. 3, a factory reset won't remove them. They live in the system partition. If you don't use them, why leave them there? Good news, and there's no root needed. 5 steps. 1, install Shizuku from the Play Store. 2, turn on wireless debugging in developer options. 3, pair Shizuku using the debugging code. 4, install Canta from their website. 5, search for com.facebook in Canta and disable them. Done, and it works on any Android 11 or newer. Right, so check your phone now, open settings, tap apps, scroll to anything starting with com.facebook. How many did you find? Drop the number in the comments. I'm genuinely curious what the average is.